Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So today I'm so excited to share with you this package that these molds that I bought from Artblog. They took some time to reach to me, but in the end the wait was worth it. I was so much looking for these molds. In the end I thought I need to make them myself, but then they were available on their website and just something I wanted them, I needed them, and I got them. Again I'm saying it, but this is something, yeah, the feelings. So something similar to them you can find in market, but these were, let's unpack and you will see why I'm so much happy. So first of all, they are so generous, always add something free and it's a gift for you. So this time I got this beautiful cute line mold, and ladies and gentlemen, this is the mold. These are the ammonites. As you can see them, I am a crystal lover and I collect crystals, so something related to them. Again, I love ammonites so much. They are fossils, so I have so many of them. Someday I will share all my ammonites with you, specimens that I collected over the years. But I was so happy to get these. They had a drizzy effect in them as well. So I got a pair of it, both sides. And actually the website is in other language. I do try to read it, but I didn't understand, so I bought 3 of them. I thought one is a bigger one, but they all are same size. So I got 3 of them, but I am really happy about these bowls. Super excited and wanted to share with you, and really excited to make something out of them. So these were the mold I bought from them. I hope you like them, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.